This video covers one of the great features called Goalseek in Excel. Now, Goalseek is a what-if analysis tool. What if I could sell more items? How much profit would I make? What if I was to score 10 more goals in the season? And that's the what-if analysis tool. It's called Goalseek. You set a goal and the program will try and calculate how to reach that goal. It's quick, simple and easy to use. To begin with, let's just take a look at this example sheet in front of us. Here we've got the sales of an item that we sell, and we sold 10 items this week. We pay £2.50 for each of these items from our supplier, and we sell them at retail for £4 each, and that gives us a profit of £15. Now I want to set a goal to say, really, I would like that profit to read £20. Now I can't just type £20 on this cell B6 because there's a formula in there. So we use Goalseek. Now to get to this, you go to the data ribbon, and over on the right hand side of that ribbon is a button called What If Analysis. When you click on that, pops down a small menu, and one of the choices is Goalseek. Click on Goalseek and it brings up a small dialog box. Now there's only 3 things to fill in. Let's go through each one in turn. Set cell. Now it's asking which one of these cells do you want to set to a certain value. Now this cell you click on must always contain a formula, otherwise it's not going to work. Now for us, we want to set this cell down here. I'm going to click on that and you'll see it types in for me B6. It then says, to what value would you like this to read? And in there I'm just going to type the value I'd like it to read. In my case it's 20. I want it to read £20 profit. It then says, by changing which of these other cells on the sheet. In other words, which one of these cells do you want me to play around with to try to achieve that goal of £20? So for this, what you do is you click in this field by changing cell and then click on which one you want. Now maybe we'll start with trying to see how many more units I would need to sell that week to achieve £20. So if I click on this cell here, B3, let's put that in, and you click OK, it tells me it's found a solution. And when I look at this, by the way, leave this open for the moment. So if we don't want to accept these changes, we can just cancel them by clicking cancel on the dialog box. But if we take a look, for me to achieve a £20 profit, I would have to sell roughly 13 to 14 items next week. Now you may look at that and say, well, actually I'm maxed out. I cannot sell any more than what I'm selling at the moment. So I need it to remain at 10. So we cancel. It resets everything. We go through the same procedure. We go back to what if analysis, Goalseek. Which cell do I want to set? Well, this one down here. To what value? 20. By changing which cell? Well, this time I'm going to choose the retail price. Maybe if I can't sell any more than 10, maybe if I increase the retail price. So I'll say by changing this cell to achieve my goal. When you click OK, it does its calculations. Now straight away you can see we've achieved our goal of £20 by selling just 10 units, but it's now put it at £4.50 each. Now you may look at that and again say, well, I can't sell it for any more than £4 because that's the market value of that particular product, and my competitors are also selling it at £4, so I will lose orders. So I can't change the retail price. So again, we click cancel and try an alternative. Go back to what if analysis, Goalseek, set this cell to be 20 by changing maybe the cost price of each unit. Maybe I can negotiate with my supplier a better price. So I choose this cell, B4, to put in here. When I click OK, again we can achieve our goal of £20, but I would need to buy my items for £2 each. Now I could either negotiate with my supplier to get a cheaper price or shop elsewhere for a wholesaler that can sell them at £2. The Goalseek is often referred to as a one-trick pony. That's what it does. You type in a goal you want to reach, it will then play around with some variables to try to achieve that goal. If you want to accept it, you click OK. If you don't, maybe you're using it just as a tool to help you decide, you can click cancel and it will reset everything. And that is the Excel Goalseek.